Right now we're talking to Charles Caraway, attorney and personal injury law. That's what you specialize in, right?
Yes, sir, and thank you very much for having me. I appreciate it.
Of course. Thanks for being here. Let's just kind of start off with your background, who you are, and what you do.
All right, well, before I became a lawyer, I actually grew up in the area. I'm an Dorado County boy.
That's
good. I got out of high school, joined the Marines, was an enlisted Marine for about 4 years. And then I was a police officer, and then I decided that I wanted to help people in a different way, so I became a lawyer, and now I'm a personal injury attorney.
And
You've tried a few different things. I like it.
And you made it all sound so easy. I was a Marine, I did that, and then I decided, but you had to obviously go to law school for all that. And
I did. It was a natural progression, though, I promise.
All right, good. All right, so tell us what personal injury is all about, because some people out there may not know exactly if they're, what personal injury attorney is, and how they qualify if they do have an injury.
All right, well, personal injury is anytime somebody is hurt as a result of somebody else. So if you're in a car accident, that's the main thing that most people are aware of. Dog bites, boating accidents, wrongful death, there's slip and falls. Pretty much anytime somebody's injured, somebody else caused that injury.
And how do people know when's a good time to come to you? How long should they wait, that type of thing, the timing of all of it?
So I get asked that question often by my clients, and the example that I always give is if you're going to build a project at your house, you don't want somebody else to start the project, then you're going to come in halfway, and then you're going to have to finish, and you have to figure out what mistakes were made, what they did, the style, and all those types of things. The best time to come to an attorney or talk with an attorney is right at the beginning, and the reason why is because the attorney is specialized in, one, knowing what happened and making sure that all of everything gets lined up, but also, two, if you need treatment, making sure that the treatment not only is going to get you better and you're going to see the right doctors, but also making sure that it falls in line with what insurance companies want in order to make sure that they get the most money possible for their case.
Right, okay. Well, you're from here, which is good, so you're from the community and you do a lot of stuff in the community. That's obviously important to you.
It's absolutely important to me. I think that giving back to your community is like one of the most important things that you can do as a person if you have the means to be able to do that. Right now, currently, we're working with CrossFit Centurion, which is out in Rancho Cordova. We're sponsoring the event along with Goyer and Associates. And what it is it's called Fight for Life. It's an event where we all get together, we exercise, and all of the money, 100% of the proceeds, go to the First Responder Support Network. And what they do is they take the money and they provide it to first responders and their spouses.
That's great.
Absolutely. In order for them to get treatment for post-traumatic stress disorder. So it's a very good charity.
Yeah, you guys stay busy in the community. And why is it so important for someone to go to an attorney in the first place? Some people think, oh, I don't need an attorney, I'll just handle this. But it's important.
I get that question often as well, and the thing that I say is if it was easy to do the cases by yourself, then there wouldn't be so many personal injury attorneys. I wouldn't have a job.
Yeah.
And so what it is that the insurance companies have their own best interest at heart, which is to save money. And so they'll be as sweet as can be at the very beginning, and then they'll get all of the information that they need to use against you, and they'll do that in order to make sure that you get the least possible. So you need to come and see an attorney sooner rather than later, and you need an attorney to protect you from the insurance companies, to make sure that you get the right treatment and that you get the most money that you can out of your case.
If somebody's in an accident, like right away, do they call right away? Do they try to find an attorney right away? Do they call the insurance company right away? What do they need to do right there?
I think the most important thing that a person should do is take care of themselves first. They need to make sure that they pull over to the side of the road, they call the police if they need it in order to get in an investigation, and they need to go get the emergency treatment if they need it. If they need to take an ambulance and go to the hospital, that's what they should be concerned with. Having an attorney should be something that comes out after the fact, after you've made sure that you're okay, that you're safe, that your loved ones are safe. And then once all of that is settled down, then it's the time to call an attorney, and then the attorney can help you from there.
Okay.
All right.
Thanks so much.
There.
Thank you.
Yeah, there's all the information right there if you want to take a look at it. Of course, there it is, Caraway Injury Attorneys. They are right there off of 2366 Gold Medal Way.